Which is correct? Always at 5 p.m. I go to the gym, or I always go to the gym at 5 p.m. Tricky, right? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know the answer and so much more about building perfect English sentences. Hey everyone, you're watching Dream Team English. Let's get started. Today, we are going back to basics, the absolute foundation of English, the sentence. Think of it like a simple recipe. Every basic sentence needs two main ingredients, a subject and a verb. The subject is the who or what doing the action. It can be a person, like I, you, my friend Tim, or a thing, like the cat or the car. The verb is the action itself, words like eat, sleep, run, or is. So, you get simple sentences like I run or the cat sleeps. Easy, right? But life isn't always that simple, and neither are our sentences. We need more flavor, more detail. That's where extra information comes in. This can be an object. What is the action happening to? For example, I eat an apple. An apple is the object. We can also add where the action happens, which is the place, and when it happens, which is the time. So we can build a sentence like this: subject, verb, object, place, and time. For example, I eat an apple in the kitchen every morning. See how that simple I eat became a full descriptive sentence. The structure is usually subject first, then the verb. The extra information like what, where, and when typically comes after the verb. Now, let's have some fun and build sentences with our own lives. Let's take 5 subjects: I, my friend, my dog, we, they. For verbs, let's use drink, watch, play, study, and listen. For objects, coffee, movies, football, English, and music. For places, at a cafe, at home, in the park, online, in the car. And finally, for time, in the morning, on weekends, after work, every day, and on my way to work. Let's mix and match. I drink coffee at a cafe in the morning. Makes sense, right? How about my friend watches movies at home on weekends? Perfect. Or my dog plays football in the park after work? Okay, my dog doesn't actually play football, but the sentence is grammatically correct. Well, my dog doesn't actually work, so you know what to do. Play with it. That's the magic of the structure. We study English online every day. That's you and me right now. They listen to music in the car on their way to work. Now it's your turn. I want you to use these lists, or your own words, and create your own sentences in the comments below. Let's see who can come up with the most interesting or the funniest sentence, but it must be correct. I'll read and reply to as many as I can. By the way, did you notice a lot of our verbs were in the present simple tense? We talked all about that in our last quiz. If you need a refresher, the link is popping up on the screen right now and is also in the description box below. Oh, and the answer to our first question, it's I always go to the gym at 5 p.m. Adverbs of frequency like always usually go before the main verb. And what about time? You can use it at the start or at the end of the sentence. So, at 5 p.m. I go to the gym is also okay. Or, I always go to the gym at 5 p.m. We'll talk more about that in a future video. Thanks so much for watching Dream Team English. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. See you soon.